Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Abu Shukri Bambasha, representative of the group 5. So as in our title, we develop a software that for our university, which is sport facility booking apps. So this app is basically to book a sport facility, every type of sport such as football, hockey, futsal, tennis, badminton, and others like swimming pool. So I will explain about our database. So to develop these apps, we use appsheet software from the website. So for the column room, this is where we store our description of what we want to book. So for the football, we just use the short form like FB01. So for the hockey, we use HC01, futsal FS01, tennis TN01, badminton BT01, and swimming pool SP01. It is actually we can just add up any sport that we want through the entire row. So for this column, we just place the FKEE, it's just for the example. And for the room image column is where we store our image for the apps. So in the room booking, which is where we store our database. For example, I will show you the type of on how we want to book the apps. Just click add and it will appear here the new ID for the room football. So the time start will start at whatever you want, and the time end also place such as we want to book it for 1 day. So you can write the purpose of meeting, which is any notes, and then just click save. Zero, zero, 0203. So the new book slot will appear here. You see, so this is the ID and this is the time start. You can view it to see the time end, which is for 1 day. So that's all for the explanation about the database for our booking apps. I will pass for the next presenter. Thank you.
Okay, so Assalamualaikum. We continue with the presentations. Okay, so after making the three table, which is the first one is room, the second one is room booking, and the third one is table three. So after making the table, we need to proceed to the data setting. So for the data type for the room table, uh, we need to click on the labels on the ID column, and then for the key in the room column. So after that, we proceed to the room booking tables. Then for the room booking table, on the ID column, we click on the key and labels. Also, we need to put the unique ID because we want to generate ID on each booking, so it won't be overlapping. Okay. After that, we need to insert the new column, which known as room selected. Then we use the family room. After that, okay, we need to click on there. We need edit the column, and then we click at the data validity at the time start and the time end. So we need to create this formula. Okay, so the function of this formula is to check on both date and existing reservation that coincides with the room. So it will be no existing reservation for the same room on the same date and time. So for the invalid value error, so this is the formula. So it will be, so if they have a same room on the same date and time, it will show the booking and date must be greater. So the room is already booked during this time. So that's all for the data setting. Thank you.